Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change Facebook link. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on your top left profile and click on three dot option. Then scroll down, see your profile link. Okay, then change your link. Tap on your menu option, click on settings and privacy. Okay, tap on settings, click on see more in account center. Okay, scroll down, click on your profile, tap on Facebook profile. Okay, click on username and change your username to change Facebook link. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.